Hi, it's Rob, and this is the image training course. I've messed around with the order of the videos. So video 16 is now video something like that. Video 17 is now video 18, and this is actually video 17, and so my bad. Okay, so it helps to geotag your images, and some places will strip the geotagging out of your image. But it's still cool to geotag them if your business is located in a specific area. So in other words, if you're doing affiliate marketing or whatever, you just need to do your meta tags. But if you are a hairdresser, plumber, a bookkeeper, a lawyer, dentist, anybody whose business is local to a town or city or area, and people come to you by your address. In other words, you want to rank for bookshops in Kitchener, then you need to geotag every single image very, very carefully. Now, tool.geoimager.com is the easiest. You can look up others if you want. I looked up GeoImager and found it that way. But pricing, well, that's terrifying. I hope there's no pricing involved. No, buy pro, I have no clue. So basically what you do, sorry, I'm just trying to clear my screens as I go. You would take the image that you want geotagged, so let's just actually use one, a real one here for a real image, meaning it's this one. So drop photos here, click to upload. I suspect it's, sorry, my bad, I dropped it. You can drop it or click to upload. So here we are now. So basically I will use this thing, use control and scroll to bring I don't know if I've got to drag this over at the same time, and I'm kind of going to about here. So let's see how close I got. Pretty close. Well done, Rob. So this is probably right here. In fact, let's really get close, exact, because that's exactly what you would do. So when you come into Long Point over the bridge, there we go. So this image is taken right there. Yeah. So you would then geotag it for that. There's longitude and latitude exactly, and you'd give it a name and a description in here. So you'd put Long Point without the funny O, and you'd put there, it doesn't matter, flooding or whatever you're doing related to that, but you'd obviously do it, and then you click right X of tags. Now the photo is tagged. And then you click download, and it downloads to my other screen. So give me a second for it to cooperate. I'm going to close this, and then send that image to my desktop. Let's have a look at what it looked like. It's sending 2 of them. That's fine. So now if I right click it and I go to properties and I go to details, longitude and latitude, it's geotagged. So, and there's the name, Long Point, thing, the details there, etc. And obviously up here I'd go and title flooding, I'd go and fix all of this title tags, etc, etc. I'd rename it correctly per the keywords and all of that. But one of the most important things for geotagging back in the past was for listing your images onto your Google My Properties, GMB. But I have a suspicion that, I'm told, I haven't checked up on this personally, that now if you take a geotagged image and you put it into your Google My Business listing, Google strips it. But it doesn't matter, because you can take the same image and use it for your other places. Let me show you. Give me a second to find what I have to show you. Where is it? Oh, I think it's this image. I'm going to be doing a course on this sooner or later. But this is local SEO. So if you look in here and you follow this, it'll tell you, are you on page 1 on Google listings? No. So set up your local listings, set up your profiles, go to Google My Business. So there we go, right? And then here, so when you're adding citations, which is really putting your details in a directory, your name, address, phone number, NAP, right? So there you would add them into somewhere here, adding name, address, no, yes, add new NAP and citations every month. But you're adding it to places like this: Bing Places, Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, whoever these are. In fact, I'm in Canada, so it would be Industry Canada, 411, Yelp, Facebook, Bing Places, Web Local, Goldbook, Hot Frog. Wow. And you'd keep adding it. Now those ones geotagged is absolutely brilliant, because you're now putting 10 geotagged images into your citation or that directory or wherever you've listed it, right? And then you're indexing it, because once you've listed it and it's accepted, you must send Google to go and look at it, okay? And when Google's done that, Google's read every one of your images and read your address as correct. And it's very, very powerful. Equally, you will put those same images that are geotagged into your Google stacking. So yeah, there's lots and lots of things as to why you need your images geotagged if you are a local business. That's it. Take care. Let's get into the next video. Cheers.